Welcome to the video. So last video I just trying to explain you how the microorganisms like viruses coming into the human body. So that video I have explained two ways they can come into our body, and just like this what I said, it's the soil. So I explained this one, a lot of example of the Siberia, and the Siberia is the frozen ice and many dead organisms like animals and the human. They are buried inside the ice and preserved all these microorganisms. For example, the classic story I told you about a 12-year-old boy was died due to anthrax, because 75 years ago reindeers died here, and then the reindeers, they had this bacillus anthracis, and they again, the melting of the ice, they came up again and then infected into this boy and some other people there. So the next one, I'm going to talk about that another way. I told you that video, it's from existing animal. It's from existing animal to human. So these existing animals could be again two types. One is this animal never have seen by human. That's the first time this organism going to touch, or organism going to see. Or maybe these animals are common in our environment, and the virus is coming from these organisms. So in this case, we can again divide this into two, from the one organism to another organism. One is that we have never seen this organism before. They might be in a deep forest, or maybe deep inside of some kind of places where the human never reached. Or other thing is the places where we commonly live and contaminate with interact with the animals. So in, let's say, this case, the organism is not harmful to these particular animals, so they're just living there, and maybe when it moves the human, it could be harmful. We can call it a pathogenic. The second thing, this virus is existing in this organism. It may cause disease to this organism, perhaps may not cause the disease that much dramatic in this organism. And then this organism is coming to the human body. This might cause a devastating disease. Now we see like a COVID-19. So how this virus now coming to the human body? It just, we can talk about, it's called the mutation. So mutation happen. When the mutation happen, this mutation, I will explain what is mutation. It just gives some kind of a license to kill, just license to kill. The mechanism is license to kill. That means it change dramatically. That changes giving him a power. This changes giving him a weapon to kill and infect a human. That's how the second way the viruses are coming to a human body. So it's not coming from the space, it's just coming from the soil, like few example given in Siberia, and it's coming from another organisms to a human. So let's going to see what is this mutation and how this happen, and in this mutation why they become very infectious to human, and why it is spreading so fast, what exactly mutation gave to the virus, we're going to see in my next video.